Right, face off, 1.5mm hole in the end. Should have put a centre on that first, but there you go. Right, okay, let's start shaping it then. What I'm going to do is put a taper on the back. I have to beware of my chuck, but I think I'm miles away. That's a terrible finish on that. I might have to change the bit. I'll give it one more try on a power feed to start. Which is actually alright. I'm going to polish it off again in a minute anyway, so right, okay, so let's put the bit on the front. Changing that tool. So, as you can see, I've had a slight change of tack. I thought I would see if I've got a round nosed tool, and I have. And I think this is good enough for my needs, so I'm going to do it. I've pushed it further into the chuck because I didn't want the overhang, because obviously a bit of tool pressure going on with a large radius tool like that. But there you go, so I'm going to give it a try and see what happens. I like that. See if I can get a bit closer in. to do just nicely. Yes, right, I'll bring that out a bit and then I'll just polish it up. I say polish it up, it's probably going to look worse by the time I finish with it, but I'm pleased I did that now. Right, that looks good to me. So, next operations. Right, I've got a hexagon collet block clamped in a vise. It's up against the back of the nut, against the vise there. And the tube I've just pushed up against this bit of metal here, this plate. So that gives me the angle. Repeatable within, you know, a gnat's whisker, close enough for this. So it'll give me an angle for the jets that I'm going to do. So it's 3 jets, so turn it around 2 sides, drill. So I'm going to centre drill, drill, and then turn it round and do the other 3. I'm only just touching. Right, so first one done. 1, 2. Here's the collet block, touch, touch. Right, that's those 3 holes. Now, on another 3. One rotation. Got no real other way of testing this. I've just connected it up to the shower. It's going to be connected up to a pressure washer, so I do hope that it can handle the pressure. I'm sure it can. Anyway, right, see if I can do this while holding the camera and turning the tap on. yeah, look at that slide. Oh, that's going to work great. Oh, there we have it. One job jobbed. So this is what my mate wanted. That's what I've come up with. BSP pipe fitting, British standard pipe, and a little nozzle on the end with some jets in it. Which of course you know because you've just seen me make it. It's 30 mil long, about a foot, give or take, so it should be long enough for him. At first I was a bit concerned about the fitting here because it's like a rubber gland fitting, but it's 100 psi, so thinking about that in air pressure terms, which is what I'm normally familiar with, it's no problem at all. That should be secure. So there we go.